Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to zoom in and zoom out in WPS Office. So the first option you can try is a shortcut from your keyboard. You can press and hold Ctrl and then you can use scroll to zoom in or zoom out your document. The another option is on the View tab, so we need to open it, and here we have something like zoom. We need to click on it, and here you will be able to select the value of the zoom you want to use. For example, I'm going to select here 75% and I click OK button. And the last option to zoom is placed on the right down corner of your document. You can move this dot to the left or to the right, everything depends of it if you want to zoom in or zoom out. If you will change position to the left side, you will zoom out your document, but if you will change position to the right side, you will zoom in your document. Alternatively, you can press on the minus icon to zoom out, or you can click on plus icon to zoom in. So it is how it works. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's not a problem.